This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in Word. First, open a new or existing document in Microsoft Word. Navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon, then locate the font group. Click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of this group to open the font dialog box. This is where you'll make your initial selections for font, style, and size. Once you've chosen your preferred font settings, you'll see a Set as Default button. Clicking this will present you with an important choice. You can either apply these changes to just the current document, or you can select to apply them to all new documents based on the normal template. Make your selection carefully and then confirm. To ensure your new default font is correctly set, it's a good idea to verify it. Close Microsoft Word completely, then reopen the application. Start a brand new blank document. You should immediately see your chosen font, style, and size active in the new document, confirming your changes have been successfully applied as the new default. Should you wish to change your default font again, or revert to a more common one, the process is straightforward. Simply follow these same steps to open the font dialog box, select a new font, and set it as the default for all new documents. You can easily switch back to a standard option like Calibri or Times New Roman whenever you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.